So the induction smelter is ready. I have to use a cable here because the Chinese relays fuck up all the time. It's 80 amps. I only use 25 and it's burned. 2 of them. They're fucked. So we use it without. You can switch it on, this water pump and the fan, and that's normally to switch on and off. Here's the adjustment for the power, how much power you want to get in. Here's the graphite thing. So I put in some gold. Have to be fast. This shit goes hot really quick. Oh fuck. It's about 20 grams now. Starts melting. Heat up this one a bit. So, it's done. Under 2 minutes. Crazy easy. And we can put it down a bit.